here it is. It has 2 hoops, 5 basketballs, and all the parts. So let's go ahead and put this together and see how it looks. Here is the backboard. I opened everything up and separated. Here's the hoops. The nets are really good material. There's what keeps score. All the screws are labeled and numbered. You have the little tools, the little wrench, the Allen wrench with the Phillips on the other side. The balls are really good material. There's the net that catches the ball and the frame. I separated everything. Everything is numbered. It has a sticker. So let's go ahead and put this together and I'll show you the end result. But really happy with the quality. The board is nice. Here we go. Here's the frame, the majority of the frame. Now the next step is the backboard. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this together now. And to keep score, well, you put this plastic in, but this back part right here needs batteries. This is what operates the score and the time. So you need 3 AA batteries. So here's the pump. I said I didn't find a needle, but guess where it was? So there is a needle in the handle. So let's go ahead and blow these up.